This is Integrated Project Delivery Case Studies, ARCH 8350 and CSM 8350. I am Shaima Clark, the co-instructor for this class. I teach in the Department of Construction Science and Management.
And I'm Sally Hambright-Belue from the School of Architecture. This course is part of our Certificate in Integrated Project Delivery. Integrated Project Delivery is a project delivery approach that integrates people, systems, business structures, and practices into a process that collaboratively harnesses the talents and insights of all participants to optimize results, increase value to the owner, reduce waste, and maximize efficiency through all phases of design, fabrication, and construction. The use of this project delivery method is becoming widely used, and there is a need to teach the principles of the method. Participants can be degree-seeking graduate students or non-degree-seeking professionals. Courses can also be taken singularly without pursuing the certificate. The certificate is made up of 4 classes, and this class is the third listed here, is ARCH CSM 8350 Integrated Project Delivery Case Studies.
So ARCH slash CSM 8350 will allow students to learn from existing case studies in order to understand how integrated project delivery is put into practice. Students will analyze RFQs, RFPs, contracts, management methods, techniques used in integrated project delivery projects. Students will also suggest appropriate improvements to the existing projects in order to promote more effective teamwork. So the course objectives, that is the learning objectives for the students, are at the completion of this course, a student should be able to analyze requests for qualifications, requests for proposals, in order to describe how to create successful integrated project delivery proposal. Students should also be able to organize and manage contracts in IPD projects by understanding key case studies. Students should also be able to identify and explain practical techniques used in IPD by analyzing existing case studies. Critically evaluate business, technology, communication, and management strategies in existing IPD projects is another learning objective. And then lastly, students should be able to apply a process observer model to identify team needs and suggest appropriate actions to promote more effective teamwork in IPD projects.
The studio teaching approach will be used where there will be a few lectures recorded and available online. Students will work in groups to learn on projects, participate in online discussions. Projects generally emphasize collaborative and cooperative learning, allowing personal, intellectual development as well as content learning. Instructors get students going on projects and will be on hand as resources for scheduled meetings as needed. Responsibility for learning will be placed on the students. And all of this will be offered online. This will be an asynchronous online course offering. Assignment grading is as follows. So first, there will be 2 projects. Those will be worth 40%. There will also be a couple of written assignments, and those are worth 20% of the final grade. There will be 3 discussions, and those will be worth 20%. And then you will have a final paper, and that will be worth 20%.
So welcome to the class. Enjoy.